If you're experiencing billing issues with your Revolut account, follow these steps to resolve them efficiently. This guide will help you navigate the process and find a solution. Step 1. Identify the problem. Determine the specific billing issue you are facing. This could be an incorrect charge, a subscription not working, or a payment that didn't go through. Having a clear understanding of the problem will help you address it effectively. Step 2. Check transaction history. Log into your Revolut app and review your transaction history. Look for any discrepancies or unauthorized transactions. Take note of the dates, amounts, and any relevant details to provide when seeking assistance. Step 3. Contact customer support. Open the Revolut app and navigate to the support section. Use the in-app chat feature to reach out to customer support. Provide them with all the necessary details about your billing issue, including any evidence you gathered in Step 2. Step 4. Follow up. If you do not receive a timely response, follow up with customer support. You can do this through the same chat feature or by checking for any updates in your support ticket. Persistence may be necessary to ensure your issue is addressed. Step 5. Review resolution options. Once customer support responds, review the proposed solutions. They may offer a refund, correct the billing error, or provide further instructions. Make sure you understand the resolution and confirm that it meets your expectations before closing the issue. By following these steps, you can effectively resolve billing problems on your Revolut account. Remember to keep records of all communications for future reference.